Plug pink wire into the pink wire in the controller. Now plug the black wire into the black wire into the controller. Plug the yellow wire into the yellow wire coming out of the controller. Plug blue wire into the blue wire in the controller now. Plug the green wire into the green wire in the controller. Now take the 6 color wires and plug them into each other now. Grab the second 6 color wires and plug them into each other now. Take the 2 color wire and plug the 2 color wire from the controller into each other now. Take the other set of 2 color wires and plug them into each other now. Now you have 2 3-colored wires coming off the controller and 2 3-colored wires coming out of the controller box. Plug them all into each other now. Now tuck away the controller and close the controller box. Place all 4 screws nice and tight. Hold the M button to turn on the LCD display to make sure your new controller is working. Hold the M one more time to turn off LCD display.